Welcome back to another episode of Drink Tales. The year's almost over. We've got, a day left? We're closing out 2020. If any of y'all got any last things to put out there in the ether of 2020, do something now. I don't know if we even want to say that, because I don't think whatever anyone has to say will be good.
I mean, if it's on your chest, say it with your chest.
2020 was not kind to anybody, really. So yeah, that year's almost over, and to celebrate, we're gonna drink. I mean,
y'all been doing that all year anyway.
Yeah, drinking normally associated with ending the year in a celebratory manner, but I think this year we all could use something a little bit stronger. If we haven't drank any of the strong stuff in March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and earlier this month in December. So with that said, what are we making today? I see you're constructing things.
So usually at the end of the year for a toast or whatever, you do champagne.
Mm-hmm.
But I was like, I want that, but maybe I want something whiskey-y.
A lot of people would just drink whiskey, drink champagne, drink tequila, in back-to-back repetition.
That's not good enough.
Until it sends them forward in time.
And then I was like, but I also would like a cocktail situation.
Mm-hmm.
So then I was like, let me get on the internet and peruse and see if there is a cocktail that exists.
That could
And sure enough,
check all those boxes.
And sure enough, it does. It's called the champagne julep. I will put the recipe at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
It's from Thrillist, so you're welcome, Thrillist, for advertising your drink or whatever. But for me, this combines all of the things that I want in a drink.
Mm-hmm.
There's the whiskey, there's the champagne for the celebratoriness of it, and it's a cocktail, and it's a cocktail that's more reminiscent of summer because of the derby and everything like that. And we didn't get a summer because the coronavirus and stuff like that. So I'm doing it all in one. And next year when summer comes back around, I'll do it again. So, what we are going to do is, to make this drink, you need some mint and a sugar cube. I put 2 in here because I'm making this for 2, but the recipe will have it for 1. Then you're gonna smother it in Angostura bitters.
Smother it. Interesting.
Well, not smother, but they say put Angostura bitters in here. And then you're gonna muddle it.
That feels good, doesn't it? Crushing 2020 away. Is that what you're doing?
Yep, crushing 2020. I got to question this recipe already because that's gonna be fucking harsh on
on the mint. I was just about to say, doesn't muddling make the mint pretty hard?
You're supposed to press, but
you have sugar cubes in there. Yeah. And where'd you get this from?
Thrillist.
Thrillist. What's up? Who made this?
They're a reputable website. Apparently, we're just assholes on YouTube. So we're gonna do that. Sugar was left on there. I feel like that's gonna take away from the recipe if I don't get that out of there. But what are you gonna do? Then you add an ounce of, if it's for 1, an ounce of bourbon. And we're gonna use Majesty because it's almost gone. I'm adding 2 ounces, so you know.
And Majesty does do the trick.
I mean, it did the trick because it's bottle about gone. And as of all things, 2020 ends with this bottle of Majesty.
I just want to give a special shout out to Majesty. You got us through the year. Thank you very much. On and off camera.
And then I'm gonna add the ice. If I did this wrong, whatever. That's a lot of ice. Let's dial back on that. And then give it a shake. I'm just gonna dump it all.
Okay. You got more.
Yeah. Because then the next step is something I probably should have did beforehand. We're gonna top this with champagne, and I'm gonna, you know,
This is brut champagne, by the way. Courtesy of Corbel. Ooh, shit.
busted your load a little early there.
Yeah.
You know, stretch that out. Just
You stretch it out by putting more.
I am. Calm down. Shut up and calm down. So I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna send it all the way to the top because, you know, accent. And there it is.
I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good.
Your top off to 2020 and your reintroduction to 2021. I guess if you want to like add more ice and mint leaves, you can do that too. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Getting a lot of those flavors. It's pretty good. It's not super sweet or anything.
Is it me or did you catch any citrus notes?
No. What I'm catching is I'm catching more of the Majesty than anything.
I thought so. But yeah, that's it. Here's the 2020.
So, we're closing out the year. We know 2020's been rough. But I want to thank everybody who stuck with us from the start of pretty much of the YouTube channel. I know we don't have that many views. Hopefully we'll quadruple our viewership in the next year.
We got some things planned.
Yeah. Next year we got a lot of things planned going on. Drink Tales is going to get back to the travel part of Drink Tales, it's going to start what we didn't get to start this year. So, as you know, as the pandemic is easing up, so to speak, you know, there's a vaccine now, so I guess that's cause for celebration. We're going to try to hit up a few places around the country, maybe. We'll see. And of course, we're gonna be doing stuff here as well. You know, we're never gonna let this go. Our reviews and stuff like that is pretty much what's kept the channel going the entire year. But with that said, thank you guys for helping us make 2020 more tolerable. And be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so that you're notified of all content that's coming to the channel. Be sure to check us out on Instagram and check us out on Twitter. And what have you been saying for the latter part of the year?
If there's a spirit, liqueur, wine, beer, hell, even some food you think it gets underappreciated or we can't get it here in the States, let us know about it. Help us try to find it. If you have the bottle in question, send it to us. Hit us up in our DMs and we can, talk about it. Especially if you're like a liquor company, like a smaller one or one that goes under the radar or whatever, like to talk to us.
Also, too, I'm gonna add this. Since we're going to be trying to get out there in 2020, wherever you're at, look, we're probably still trapped in the United States, so we can't hit the world yet. So if you're one of our viewers, or you're on Instagram and you watch our stuff and you're not in the United States, until bans are lifted, we can't leave the country. But if you're within the United States and you know some places that you think we should go that is liquor related, that we should check out, whether it be a liquor store, a bar, a restaurant that has a crazy drink, anything like that.
Speakeasy
things
like
that.
I like those.
Yeah, like let us know. Get in our DMs. Let us know. Hell, if you're a bartender or something like that, and you want us to come try out your drinks wherever you are, let us know. We will do everything we can to get out there and, of course, film it and make it an episode. And I guess that's it. That's all I have to say.
That's it. This is the last video for 2020. Saturday's video will be the first one of 2021.
It will actually be on January 1st. Am I right? Saturday is January 1st?
No, Saturday is January 2nd.
Okay, it'll be on January 2nd. But the new year also brings about the fact that our next video will technically be Drink Tales 1 year anniversary. So we're gonna be discussing, we're not gonna say what we have planned for that. Just join us in our next video and find out. But until next time, everybody, Happy New Year and peace.